On today's video review, we have Hostess snack cakes. I don't know why I said that like that. Like, my voice got really deep for some reason. Not sure what's going on with that. Anyway, these are the only Hostess that I could get my hands on. I'm gonna go ahead and review the fruit pie because it's morning. I haven't had breakfast. I'm kinda hungry. And I have a delicious glass of milk right here. So you're gonna have breakfast with solace right now. I'm gonna go ahead and talk about, my thoughts and feelings of how the pie tastes. And I guess throughout the week, every time I open up a new Hostess product, I'll go ahead and review that too. I mean, we got 2 packs of snowballs and 3 packs of orange cupcakes. I couldn't find the chocolate ones, and I really couldn't find Twinkies. You scalping bastards. Go to hell. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging. It's a Hostess fruit pie, best by November 28th, 2012. Here is the time, I guess it was made, or is that the time that, I don't know, I don't even know. But yeah, real fruit filling, I highly doubt that. Naturally and artificially flavored. Cherry flavored. The net weight is 4.5 ounces, 128 grams. So that's awesome. Here's the proof of purchase and the ingredients. I'm not going to touch on that because that's a lot of ingredients. And here's the nutrition facts. Let's just hold this tab up here. As you can see, the articulation is quite nice. Serving size 1. I could only eat about half of this, but I will try Hostess packaging. I will try. Serving size 1 pie, 128 grams. Servings per container 1. Calories 480. Calories from fat 180. The percent daily values DV are based on a 2,000 calorie diet. Look at that, and you have the nutrition label there. I don't know if the camera's going to focus on that. Probably not. See if I put my finger there. Maybe. Yeah, there you go. You can screen cap that. And there's the Hostess We Deliver Great Taste Quality seal. Nintendo lacks that. Anyway, there are so many different ways to open this thing. You can either do the pull from here and here technique, but we're just going to go ahead and do it right in here. Now this is made of paper, not plastic, so you can tear right through it. And there you go. There you go. Now this is no longer needed, so you can go ahead and discard this. We'll just put that for now. And then you hold the fruit pie like this, and then you slide it out like that, and you have a granulated sugar droplet. That is sweet. Basically what you have here is a cherry empanada. If any of you are of Hispanic descent, you know what an empanada is. If you're white, you just know it as a fruit pie. Let's just get a full 360 of this. On the back is not as sugared. Get it from the top, the side. All right, now let's dig in. Mm, mm. On the first bite, mm, you'll notice right away a flavor explosion in your mouth. It's like Hostess bukkakeed me, and I have all this flavor going through my mouth right now. And there you go. That's the bloody fruit filling cherry. You do see I did get a little bit of cherry in my mouth. Um, but I wouldn't go as far to say as it was natural fruit filling or whatever. So let's go ahead and take another bite. Mmm. Mmm. Yeah. Let's have a quick sip of the milk here. Refreshing. Very refreshing. Let me rotate the camera up. So we're almost done here. Um, Definitely, pretty good snack. Mm. So a nice friend of mine named Tony, he asked me to review these Hostess snack cakes. You know, we're almost done with this fruit empanada. Mm. You can almost taste the diabetic coma in every bite. Hmm. Hmm. Look at that. Yeah, it's crazy. Mm. Hmm. Hmm. That was pretty good. Get another sip of my milk here. So, accessories and expansion packs you should buy for this cherry fruit pie is milk and a cup, and make sure you use them together. I think I'm gonna use the bathroom now. Yeah, Hostess snack cakes make you do that. But thanks for watching.